Hello friends, welcome to ICIS Academy. In this lecture, let us understand ICIS amplifier, which is a current amplifier. So ICIS, which means current controlled current source amplifier. So in this type of amplifier, input will be the current and output will also be current. So here output current is measured across the resistor RL, which is connected in the circuit as shown in this figure. So we can say ICIS amplifier will amplify the input current. So this circuit consists of high negative feedback. Due to this high negative feedback, this amplifier acts as a perfect current amplifier. The closed loop current gain can be given as AI can be given as AVOL multiplied with R1 plus R2 divided by RL plus AVOL multiplied with R1. So here AVOL is the open loop voltage gain. R1, R2 and RL are the resistors that are connected in the circuit. Here the term AVOL into R1 will be very much greater than RL. That's why we can simplify this expression and we can write AI will be approximately equal to R2 divided by R1 plus 1. So here output current can be given as I out is equal to AI into input current. The input impedance can be written as R2 divided by 1 plus AVOL into B, and output impedance can be written as 1 plus AVOL into R1. The feedback fraction B can be written as R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So remember all these formulas so that we can solve the problems. This is about current controlled current source amplifier, which is a current amplifier. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.